my god. Finally got you. What? Yeah, it's broken still. At least there was a wee ditch in there. Well, not a ditch, even though it was muddy run there, at least I was able to stand in. I was going to take it off from there, though it's too small for me. There was cars coming, so that's why I came to this side. Oh well, at least I finally caught the faulty alarm by going into it. It's basically, it basically sounds like if it was going to go fast off that tone, but it didn't. It was just fast wobbly, I think. Wobbling alarm still. And you're not replaced with remote flash yet. So yeah, so I'm not able to do this side as often, sadly. Like I'll just have to stand on this side because it's safer, since the hill is up there. Because it's like I know that you can get misuses on this person. Like I've seen that a lot. Like so that's the reason why I need to stay on the other side basically. But I'll do my best to see if I can do this side a little frequently.